The future of healthcare innovation takes center stage at the AI in Healthcare and Life Sciences 2025 workshop, a meeting point for pioneers and thought leaders driving the next wave of breakthroughs in medical technology and life sciences. From AI-driven diagnostics and personalized treatment pathways to applications in defense medicine,
The military medicine is an excellent environment for early adoption of AI. A resource-limited environment where AI can make a real difference, especially in operations where you have only a limited team of clinicians.
The major impact is, of course, the AlphaFold that was awarded the Nobel Prize, because that it allows us to really understand the structures of proteins and how they interact with drugs.
Key dialogues at this event tackle the hurdles and opportunities in bringing advanced AI applications into clinical practice.
I don't really think that AI will take our place, but it is kind of disruptive. It will completely change the way we use the information that we obtain from patients by performing medical imaging. You have to be able to use them in a well thought of manner, in a responsible manner, validate these solutions and create trust and also awareness. The end result should always be that it is beneficiary for the patients.
From AI-powered diagnostic systems to predictive analytics, emerging technologies showcased here are revolutionizing healthcare and personalized medicine. Beyond technology, this event is about building bridges and fostering connections that will shape the future of healthcare.
There's an African proverb that if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together. And we live in an age where regulation is catching up with the technological advancements. By involving a broad and diverse set of stakeholders and having inclusive deliberation and debate, that we can preempt the problems and we can address equitable solutions that really meet the hopes and needs of people.
The 2025 workshop is more than an event. It's a catalyst for transformation and healthcare innovation. We hope to see you in our next Health and Biotech event.